how can companies and organizations introduce this? In fact, I would like to go a step lower and say that the first decision has to be made by women themselves. A lot of women who have read Rutu Vidya decided that they will take a menstrual leave whether or not they're paid for it. And this is a choice that women have themselves made, even if their organizations are not allowing them to take it as a paid leave. They've decided that no, my body needs this rest if I have to work for the rest of the month. So they have done this. So the first decision to be made is by women themselves, by thoroughly understanding what menstruation is and does for the overall health of the woman. At the second level, the ideal scenario is where organizations don't even need to wait for the state or government policies. You can take an internal decision. Your HR policy can allow women paid 3-day leave, irrespective of whether they have period pain or not. Please do not get into this process of women having to prove that they have period leaves or period pain. Allow them to take time off and trust that they will be sincere enough to do it in the right way for their own health and for the well being of the company. The third option is you don't want to give it as a paid leave, fine, but at least give women the option of it. And maybe if you feel that the number of work hours is so important, see if the women are willing to make up for that by working on Sundays or other days off, which is what I do. I work on all Sundays, but during the 3 days of the period or any other festival where there are some rituals to be done, that's the only time when the body needs rest, and that's the only time I give the body rest. So you need to sit down with your employees, with your HR team, and really plan out with the complete understanding of the need for menstrual leave. That's when it's going to work. And really, I think we need to rethink the purpose of Sunday leave. The body has a natural intelligence which is in tune with Mother Nature. Body knows when it needs time off, and that is not a Sunday. Whereas the mind is a complete product of social conditioning, and that is what we are following when we take a Sunday leave. So, somewhere we have to become aware of this and ask ourselves what is needed for our well being? Do we listen to the body, or do we listen to social conditionings of the mind?
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.